Medicine is undergoing a revolution. From editing our genes to printing organs, technology is reshaping healthcare at an unprecedented pace. Today we explore the breakthroughs that are transforming lives: CRISPR, 3D bioprinting, AI-driven drug discovery, and more. Welcome to the future of medicine. This is Genius Revolution, and my name is Tyron. Imagine a world where diseases are edited out of our DNA, where organs are printed on demand, and where AI designs life-saving drugs in days instead of years. That future is already here. Let's dive in. We're kicking things off with one of the most groundbreaking tools in medicine today, CRISPR. Imagine this, a technology so precise it can target and edit specific genes within our DNA. That's CRISPR in a nutshell. CRISPR-Cas9 acts like a molecular scalpel, allowing scientists to cut and paste genetic information with incredible accuracy. We're talking about potentially curing genetic diseases at their root cause. And the progress has been remarkable. Clinical trials are already underway, using CRISPR to treat diseases like sickle cell anemia, HIV, and even genetic blindness. Think about that for a second. The potential to eradicate these debilitating conditions is no longer science fiction. It's becoming a reality.
We're moving beyond research. CRISPR is now in clinical trials. The potential to cure genetic diseases is real.
We're seeing real-world success stories, like this young boy who was treated for a rare genetic disorder using CRISPR. The results have been life-changing. But as with any powerful technology, CRISPR raises ethical questions. How far should we go in editing the human genome? What are the potential unintended consequences? These are questions we need to grapple with as CRISPR technology continues to advance. It's a powerful tool with the potential to reshape humanity, and we need to proceed with caution and careful consideration. Let's talk about another game-changer: 3D bioprinting. Imagine a world where the wait list for organ transplants is a thing of the past. A world where we can print fully functional organs on demand, tailored to each patient's needs. That's the promise of 3D bioprinting. Scientists are now using bioinks, which are essentially mixtures of living cells and biomaterials, to create complex tissues and organs. It's like building with biological Legos, layer by layer. We're already seeing incredible progress. Researchers have successfully bioprinted skin for burn victims, and they're making strides in creating more complex organs like hearts, kidneys, and livers.
These aren't just models, they're functional tissues. We've already implanted bioprinted skin for burn victims.
The implications are profound. Imagine a future where instead of waiting months or even years for a donor organ, a patient can simply have one printed in a matter of days. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transplantation and save countless lives. Of course, challenges remain. Scaling up production to meet the demand for organs is a major hurdle. Creating the intricate vascular networks that organs need to function is another challenge. But with the rapid pace of innovation in this field, these obstacles are being overcome. The future of organ transplantation is being printed one layer at a time. And it's a future filled with hope for the millions of people around the world who are waiting for a life-saving transplant. This is a game-changer, especially in the fight against diseases like cancer and rare genetic disorders. AI is enabling us to develop targeted therapies tailored to a patient's specific genetic makeup. It's about precision medicine, delivering the right treatment to the right patient at the right time. But as with any disruptive technology, questions arise. Can AI truly replace the intuition and experience of human scientists? What are the ethical considerations of using AI in drug discovery? These are important questions that we need to address as we embrace the power of AI in medicine. One thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and it's poised to transform the pharmaceutical industry as we know it. The future of drug discovery is data-driven, personalized, and incredibly exciting. Machine learning predicts which molecules will work, cutting failed trials. We recently discovered an antibiotic using AI in days, not years. Now let's talk about the role of artificial intelligence in medicine. Specifically, how AI is revolutionizing the way we discover and develop new drugs. Traditionally, drug discovery has been a long and arduous process, often taking over a decade and costing billions of dollars. But AI is changing that. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive datasets of biological information, identifying promising drug candidates with incredible speed and accuracy. We're talking about cutting drug discovery timelines from years to days. Prepare to have your mind blown because we're about to delve into the world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. This is where science fiction becomes reality. Imagine a technology that allows your brain to communicate directly with computers and other devices, bypassing the limitations of our physical bodies. That's the power of BCIs. They're already being used to help paralyzed patients regain control of their limbs, communicate their thoughts, and even experience sensations again. It's truly remarkable.
It's life-changing. I can interact with the world again.
Companies like Elon Musk's Neuralink are pushing the boundaries of BCI technology, developing implantable devices that could one day restore lost memories, enhance cognitive abilities, and even allow us to control external devices with our minds. The possibilities are mind-boggling. The next frontier? Memory restoration, even cognitive enhancement. But what are the risks? But with such transformative technology comes profound ethical considerations. What are the implications for privacy and security when our thoughts can be accessed by external devices? Could BCIs be used to manipulate or control people's minds? These are questions we need to address as we venture into this uncharted territory. The future of BCIs is full of potential, but it's crucial that we proceed with caution and ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. The line between human and machine is blurring, and it's up to us to shape the future of this mind-bending technology. Let's shift gears and talk about two incredible technologies that are revolutionizing healthcare delivery: lab-on-a-chip and synthetic biology. First up, lab-on-a-chip. Imagine a device so small, it fits in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to perform complex medical diagnostics. That's the essence of lab-on-a-chip technology. These miniature devices can analyze blood, urine, and other bodily fluids, providing rapid and accurate results for a wide range of conditions, from infections to cancer.
This is game-changing for remote areas with no hospitals.
This is particularly game-changing for remote areas with limited access to healthcare facilities. Lab-on-a-chip devices can bring the power of a full-fledged laboratory to even the most underserved communities. Now, let's talk about synthetic biology, which is essentially engineering life itself. Scientists are now able to manipulate the genetic code of organisms, creating microbes that can produce life-saving medicines, clean up pollution, and even generate biofuels. Meanwhile, synthetic biology is turning microbes into tiny factories, creating medicines, cleaning pollution, even growing meat. Imagine a future where we can program bacteria to produce insulin within a patient's body, eliminating the need for injections, or microbes that can break down plastic waste, cleaning up our oceans and landfills. The possibilities are truly endless. Lab-on-a-chip and synthetic biology are two sides of the same coin, revolutionizing healthcare delivery and offering sustainable solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. It's about harnessing the power of biology to create a healthier and more sustainable future. Get ready to dive into the world of big data and personalized medicine as we explore the fascinating fields of bioinformatics and digital twins. First up, bioinformatics. This interdisciplinary field combines biology, computer science, and statistics to analyze vast amounts of biological data, unlocking the secrets hidden within our DNA.
We're moving from one-size-fits-all to truly personalized medicine.
Bioinformatics is playing a crucial role in the development of personalized medicine, allowing doctors to tailor treatments to a patient's unique genetic makeup. It's about moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare and towards a more targeted and effective approach. Now, let's talk about digital twins. Imagine having a virtual replica of yourself, a digital avatar that mirrors your physiology and predicts how your body will respond to different treatments. That's the power of digital twins. And with digital twins, doctors can simulate treatments before giving them to you. Doctors can use digital twins to simulate the effects of different drugs and therapies, identifying the most effective treatment plan for each patient. It's like having a crystal ball that allows doctors to peek into the future of your health. We're not just treating disease, we're redefining medicine. The future isn't coming, it's here.
The next era of medicine is powered by biotech and AI. The question is, how will we use it?
We've covered a lot of ground today, from gene editing to brain-computer interfaces. The future of medicine is unfolding before our very eyes, and it's a future filled with incredible promise. But with this promise comes responsibility. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine, we need to ask ourselves tough questions about the ethical implications of these technologies. How do we ensure that these advancements benefit all of humanity, not just a select few? How do we balance innovation with responsibility? These are questions that we'll continue to explore here on Genius Revolution, because the future of medicine isn't something that's happening to us, it's something we're creating together.